Okay. So what we are going to see is a rank. Rank is a function. Once again, it is a very important interview point of question. Okay, which will save your interview. The biggest point of it. Okay. So now what we are going to see is we have some productions. Like every financial year, they will release a movie. Okay, and you want to find out when is the first movie released of every production. You have a table, you have a data, like this data is there. But what is your query is find out all the productions first movie. What is that? First movie. Okay. So now this is a table. Now what is now we should have financial year, month, production company, movie name, right? So we'll say I don't want to have this also numbers also. Yeah. So now we need to have a data, right? So we go to that. I'll just copy this and we can have here so that we can copy from slide at least, right? Please have this data. We can do something. Okay. Save this also in your notepad. Okay, what we need to do, we need to create a table. Create table movies. Okay, what should be the ID? Serial. Serial. Okay, we'll say primary key. Don't create a table without a primary key. This is a basic information everyone will expect. Okay. So and once again, what is that? Financial year, right? F year I can say. F year integer. So we'll say integer, not like this one. A month also will say F month. Financial month text I can say. Okay. Right. Next production. Which production it is? I can say text. Next movies. I can say that is also text. No problem. All will say text. So we have created the data. All right. So we can take the data from here so that we don't want to copy it again and again. What is the data we need to have? Tell me, insert into movies. Movies here. Month production. Movies. Values is so you can take this data as it is, right? Okay, we'll copy paste the data. Okay. I'll say 2016, 2015 only. Second Universal came in 2016, I can say. Again, we can say Warner Brothers came in 2016 with another movie. Okay. So it's like movie 2 and movie 2, I can say, movie 1, I can say. This is movie 1, Paramount and Universal is 2 and Warner Brothers is 2. Okay, fine. That's it, fine. Year, months I can change. Months is December, I can say. Movie 1, 2016, no? That's it, fine. Okay, clear? Warner Brothers is done. 9, 10 values, very good. Going to add commas. Yeah. Okay, we have inserted the data, right? We are ready with the data. Select from movies. So what is our question? What is our question? In order to find out rank, I have to find out the rank. So now what we can do is we have a function called a rank over partition. What is that? Rank over what? Okay. First of all, select rank over partition by productions, I can say. Okay. So now what we'll say, run out of time. 10 minutes, okay. Okay. From where? From movies. Okay. Will this work out or not? We'll see. Partition order. Okay. Partition by. Yeah. See here what happened. Partition by production. I said. Okay. So now rank over partition by production. If we say what happened. Here and then we have some data set also. See, we have views already here. Okay, you can review that views. So rank over partition. Okay, so this is like the functions, Windows functions we have. Okay, we're talking about the rank over partition. Partition can be done by data done by one or more columns. Okay, partition can aggregate the calculations and ranks. Okay, over and by partition. Calculate the separate value for different category. Calculate different calculations in a same column. Okay, in a same column. So now the point is here. What? The point is we need to find out a rank over. Oh, okay. So now the rank or a rank function will help us to find out what is the rank of that particular data if it is repeating. Okay. What is happening here? Warner Brothers data is there, but the rank over partition is like up and all sorted. By production, it is not coming. By F here, I can say. Here also it is giving you the particular one. See, we have the difference between rank and dense rank. Okay. So now let me check once again what is the difference between the rank and dense rank, because we also done long back. Once again, this is a very important concept of Postgres. Okay. Postgres. అన్ని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవడం చాలా కష్టం అసలు. Partitioning expresses sort by dense rank. Okay, dense rank is the rank. Dense rank of. Okay, dense rank of what you need to say? Dense rank of. See, dense rank of. I'll say. Okay, dense rank of production, I can say, and partition by production, I can say. Simple, 1 point I must. Within a group order the aggregate. Okay, first of all, we find out the rank and then we go further. Okay. No, only rank, so dense ranks I can say. So no, dense rank nahi hai. No, dense rank only it is correct. Dense rank also, dense rank only it is correct. Okay, dense rank only it is correct. So now what happens? Dense rank, it is not taking anything. Okay, dense rank same whatever we did, it is correct. Okay, dense rank rather than partition, we can say order by. Okay, which doesn't have this also. Now you see. Now you got it, right? Now you got it. Now what is the point here? Rather than dense rank, we can say rank. So what is the difference between rank and dense rank also you'll understand. Okay. See here. So now dense rank is like to rank the products one by one based on the what production we saw. Okay, based on the production. So which is the first one we got? So now based on this we got it. So rather than order by production, we can say order by financial year. Financial year. So now when I say financial year, what happens? You see here the magic what happens. So all which are in 2015 is rank 1 comes on top. 2016 goes to 4. But actually, where is 2 and 3? It will not get, because 2 and 3 has been taken by this Walt Disney only, actually to say. Correct? Walt Disney only. So now you want to find out all the first pictures of that particular this one, we'll say rank 1. Where we'll write a subquery saying that get me all the rank 1s. You know how to write a subquery, right? So what is this column? We'll keep it as a okay. What is the order rank? Order rank is a column. Okay. We'll say select star from this particular subquery, and subquery I will make it as a T. Okay, as T where okay where order rank is equal to 1. That's it. So all ones came into picture. That's it. All first picture has came. Okay. So dense rank, if you say dense rank, what happens? Small Jimmy cursor. So if you say dense rank, what happens? Rank and dense rank. What happens? Okay, from I didn't select, sorry. What happened to dense rank? It was giving you what? Second, who is second? Third, like that, it's giving you, it is not eating away the second rank and third rank. Whereas it is eating away the second and third rank in rank. Dense rank is like, it is going to, below and it is giving you the second rank after the data is captured. So which is better? Dense rank or rank? Dense rank is better. Because rank will eat away this one. Right? 2 and 3 will not be there. 2 and 3 will not be there. So if you want to find out second one, who is the second one? Then in that case, this is clear. So we can do a lot of things using dense rank. So tomorrow, if they ask, I want only the first one. If you have multiple one, I want only the first one. You should get an idea. If you don't write the query, also no problem in interview. You should just type like how I type rank, some order by partition. If they will, what is evaluate your mind? They will think easier your mind thinking logically to bring out the output. That's enough. You don't want to write the query and get the output. Clear? If your query is also wrong, no problem. But do you know the logic? Do you know the concept? Everyone know. You will copy from the internet and you will do that. Is everyone will do. Every software engineer will do that. But you will not have. You should not have to buy hat. But you should know this is a concept. Okay. When there is a duplicate data, you want to find out the first one. Yes, rank is there. You want to restrict, value is there. You want to validate, do some business, trigger is there. You want to join multiple tables, joins is there. I want only left table, left join. I want only right table, right join. So all these kind of things, you need to have a concept in mind.